So which is better, Shopify or affiliate marketing? That's exactly what you're going to find out in this video. Now, which one is best for you guys to start off with if you're a brand new beginner? I'm going to switch the color of this so we can get started. Shopify, you need to know multiple things, okay? First thing you need to know is you know how to drive traffic. Comparing that to affiliate marketing, you need to know how to drive traffic. So these are the things that you need to do to be successful with either Shopify or affiliate marketing. Now, by driving traffic, it means sending people from wherever they are in the space of the internet and sending them to your offer. That's driving traffic. Now, when it comes to Shopify, you must also know customer service, because you have to be fulfilling, servicing products. You have to be, when pretty much people are buying something from you, you gotta have customer service, all that fun stuff. You gotta know how to upsell. And that's pretty much when someone comes in to buy something for $10, you upsell them and they leave with the store buying something worth $30. So that's what an upsell is, okay? There's multiple other factors that go into creating a Shopify store. Another thing is you have to create your own store, and that's it for now. It gets a lot more in depth. We're just talking about getting started off and what's the fastest way to go ahead and make money with this. Now, when it goes to affiliate marketing, you don't need customer service, you don't need upsells, you don't need to create a store. All that you need to focus on is driving traffic, and that's the main thing that you have to focus on. And we're talking about brand new beginners, okay? We're talking about brand new beginners starting out from scratch if you don't know anything. If you don't know anything about affiliate marketing or making money online, the best place to get started is Amazon affiliate marketing, because they go ahead and they take care of the customer service, they take care of the upsells, and you don't need a store because you're promoting other people's products and services. So the only thing that you need to master is how to drive traffic. Now we're going to be going over different ways that you can drive traffic to both your affiliate program or your affiliate offer and to your Shopify store. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to do that. So when it comes to driving traffic, we got two things. We got paid traffic and then free traffic. The place you get paid traffic, Facebook, Google ads, YouTube ads, mobile ads. Oh my god, and just any other ad that you might be able to think of, okay? And all this work, it doesn't matter if you're doing Shopify or doing affiliate marketing, this is it, okay? They're pretty much both the same thing, except one requires more work than the other. That's it. And when it comes to free traffic, I'm going to do this in a different color. You're going to have Google SEO, you're going to have YouTube SEO, and just sharing. Now, doing paid is much more reliable than doing free because you don't have, free you don't really have much control over. But if you learn how to do these, how to do Facebook ads, how to do Google ads, you will pretty much be able to send people to your affiliate site or to your link or to your offer. Now, let's just say you are the best at doing this, okay? These are pretty easy to do. You can literally Google how to do Google ads, you can Google how to do Facebook ads, and there's a bunch of guides and stuff out there that teach you guys this. Now let's just say you know how to do this, okay? You know how to do SEO, you know how to do ads, but which one's gonna make you the most money if you focus on driving traffic alone? Okay, so let's compare it to Shopify and affiliate marketing. If you know how to drive the traffic, which one would be easier for you to make money? Let's find that out right now. All you gotta do for affiliate marketing is take people from point A and take them to point B, which is them going ahead and buying something. And this middle stuff over here, there is no middle stuff. Okay, all you gotta do is literally send them right there. You don't have to guess their email, you don't have to do anything. All you gotta do, send them from point A to point B as a beginner. Let me just say, because when there's super affiliates out there that are making $100,000, $200,000 a month, doing completely something different, but we're talking about making a couple $1,000s a month. We're talking about making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a month, and this is the best way and easiest and fastest way to do it. Just take people from point A to point B. We're not talking about making a super affiliate 100, 200K a month right now. We're gonna be making other videos for that in the future, but for right now, we're just talking about making a couple $1,000s a month as a brand new beginner for affiliate marketing. Now, Let's just say the payout for this would be 10 bucks. Now, if you compare that same thing to Shopify, again, you take a human, point A to point B, which is the dollar, all right, again, them getting paid, but all this in the middle, you gotta do multiple things for, okay? You gotta know, again, customer service. You're gonna have to know what increased optimization, increase the conversions of your store, how you have to make your store look like in order to get paid, how to make your store look like to get the most amount of purchases, most amount of conversions. This just keeps going on and on and on with what you need to do to basically get on this level. Because over here, if you're promoting, let's just say, an Amazon product, Amazon already has a store. Amazon already spent millions and millions of dollars finding out which thing gives them like the highest conversion rate. And as well, they do all the customer service. So you're not spending hours and hours and hours of time fulfilling products. You're not spending hours of time doing customer service. You're not spending hours of time on research, seeing what converts the best. Amazon already takes care of that fully for you. And we just wanted to compare affiliate marketing with Shopify just to show you guys the difference between them. At the end of the day, if you want to make millions and millions and millions of dollars, they pretty much have the same process, and we're gonna go over that in the next couple of videos. But if you just want to make a couple $100 or even a couple $1,000 a month, like $4,000 or $5,000 a month, then you don't need to do any of this middle stuff for affiliate marketing. You don't have to know how to increase conversion rates. You don't have to know customer service. You don't have to fulfill any products. You don't have to do any of that stuff, right? Because Amazon or whatever, I specifically love Amazon because they do all the work. But if you do any other affiliate program, they take care of all that for you. All you have to do is take people from point A to point B. That's it. There is no middle ground. Just take them from here to here and you're done. And the way you do that is by learning these traffic methods over here. Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, mobile ads, and you're done. And in fact, if you really know how to do YouTube SEO, which I think we already made a couple videos in this channel, but I'm going to make a couple more videos so you guys get the understanding of it. So make sure you subscribe and hit a notification bell. So, those videos will be coming out. But if you purely know how to do YouTube SEO, you don't really need to know this stuff. You can go to make a couple $1,000s a month with YouTube SEO alone. And that's just pretty much making a YouTube video and getting people watch the video and you promote your affiliate product on that video. So guys, comparing these two together, again, I'm going to say this again. There is no middle ground when it comes to affiliate marketing. You don't have to know how to increase conversion rates, increase conversions. You don't need to know how to do that. You don't need to know how to do a store. You don't have to spend hours and hours of time building a store. You don't have to do fulfilling products. You don't have to fulfill anything. You don't have to do customer service. All that is kicked out the window once you do affiliate marketing, and that's it. Now, one last thing before we head off. We want to look at the actual dollar amount. What would you get selling a $10 product here, and what would you get selling a $10 product here? All right, let's just go over that right now. So for Shopify, on average, if you want to sell a $10 product, it's going to cost you anywhere from $3 to $5, okay? We're talking about Shopify dropshipping. We're talking about if you want to buy something from AliExpress or Alibaba and then go sell it on yourself, go sell it to your own store. So let's just say, best case scenario, $3 and you're left with $7 profit. Now, what is the cost per purchase? Okay, let's say that. So cost per purchase means how much is it going to cost you to get someone using paid ads or something and have them buy something from you. On average, that's going to be another $3 to $4. That's we're saying the best case scenario on average. So you're left with $3 profit. I'm going to change the color of this. On average, you're left with $3 profit selling a $10 product. Which is okay, cool. You sell 1,000 a day, you make $3,000 a day. That's awesome. That's cool. Compare that to affiliate marketing. And this is a complete non-biased view because I'm going to show you exactly what it is, and then you'll see which one's the best to get started off with. if you're selling a $10 product, okay, let's just say on Amazon. If you sell a $10 product on Amazon, or yeah, $10 product on Amazon, or you're promoting an affiliate product or anything, but let's just stick to Amazon for now. What's that going to cost you? You're going to get a 10% commission off that. Okay, 10% commission. Now, having said that, a 10% commission off this is only $1. So why would you go ahead and do this? Now, according to the Huffington Post, okay, people spend up to $1,500 a year buying stuff on Amazon. Now, having said that, the reason why that number is so high per person, right? $1,500 per person per user on average is because they get upsold. It's called an upsell, right? Now you can do the same thing in Shopify, but it's going to be much, much, much harder to pull something like this off if you're not Amazon, because Amazon is the king of e-commerce. Doesn't matter how good you are at e-commerce, Amazon will always be better than you because they have a better team, they spend millions of dollars, and they have so much more data. So on average, if you want to sell a $10 product, you would go ahead, they would actually make that into a $30 or $40 sale because they're getting upsold. Now, not all of them are like this, which is why I'm not really going to count this in. But again, 10% of that would be $4. And you do that as an and because of the upsell. Now, on average, Shopify will make you more money, but that is including you have to know all this stuff. You have to know how to increase conversions, you have to build a store, you have to fulfill orders, and you have to do customer service. On average, you'll get a $3 per profit here, and on average, you either make $1 to $4 over here. Okay, on average, depending on the upsell. So let's just say you make $3 in Shopify, you make $1 on Amazon. And if you are willing to work your ass off, learn a whole bunch of stuff, there's a bigger learning curve on Shopify than it is affiliate marketing. There's a huge learning curve that's there for Shopify. And if you're willing to do that, then Shopify is for you. Go ahead, do that, make the extra $2, which does add up over time. It's the difference between $10,000 a month and $5,000 a month. But if you want the digital nomad lifestyle, if you want to just if you want to make money from your laptop, travel the world, have fun, the easiest way to do that, I'm not saying you can't do that with Shopify, but the easiest way to do that is with affiliate marketing. Yes, there's a lower payout because there's lower amount of work that needs to be done. When we go back to the chart over here, all you have to know for affiliate marketing is how to drive traffic. You don't need to know any of this stuff, okay? You don't need to know any of this. Oh, what have I done? Okay, you don't need to know any of this stuff. None of this. All you have to do is learn how to drive traffic and you're done. And I'll try to create this video for you guys so you guys can differentiate between Shopify and affiliate marketing, and depending on what you want, okay? If you guys have an extra 10, 20 hours to learn all this stuff, then do Shopify, okay? If you only have a couple hours, let's just say you just go to school or you have a job where you only have 1 or 2 hours to learn how to drive traffic, and then go ahead, do affiliate marketing, and over time, learn how to do the rest of this stuff. Let's say you get a summer off or you get a couple vacations, and then learn how to do Shopify, because it just takes so much more time and effort to run a Shopify store than it does to send people from point A to point B using affiliate marketing. That's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. We just wanted to make this video for you so you can differentiate between Shopify and affiliate marketing to see which one is best for you.